Understanding and fixing a phone screen bleed.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common yet daunting issue that many smartphone users have faced: screen bleeding. We'll explore what it is, what causes it, and how we can go about fixing it.
What is screen bleeding?
Screen bleeding is a term used when areas of a phone's display show signs of light leakage or colors seeping out from the edges or any part of the screen. This usually results in discolored or lighter areas around the edges or corners of the screen.
What causes screen bleeding?
Screen bleeding can be caused by a number of factors. One of the most common causes is physical damage. Dropping your phone or applying excessive pressure on the screen can damage the LCD or LED panel, leading to screen bleeding. Another cause could be manufacturing defects. If the layers of the screen are not correctly assembled, light may leak from the edges of the screen, causing a bleeding effect.
How can I fix screen bleeding?
Here is the big question. Unfortunately, there isn't a definitive DIY solution for screen bleeding, as it's often a hardware issue. However, here are a few options you could consider. Option 1. Apply slight pressure. Occasionally, applying slight pressure to the bleeding area can help realign the liquid crystals of an LCD screen, resolving the issue. Remember, I said slight pressure. Excessive pressure could cause more harm than good. Option 2. Professional repair. If the first option doesn't work, or if you're dealing with a severe case of screen bleeding, it's best to take your phone to a professional for repair. They can usually replace the screen or fix the underlying issue. Option 3. Contact the manufacturer. If your phone is still under warranty and the screen bleeding is due to a manufacturing defect, you should contact the manufacturer. They will usually repair or replace the phone free of charge. Remember, screen bleeding is a hardware issue and often needs professional attention. Do not try any extreme DIY methods, as they may further damage your device. Always consult a professional if you're unsure. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of what causes screen bleeding and the steps you can take to fix it. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.